Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon welder. First, prioritize safety by always wearing your personal protective equipment, such as a welding helmet and thick gloves. Make sure your workspace is well ventilated and clear of any flammable items. Securely attach the ground clamp to your metal workpiece. Finally, confirm the power source is properly connected and the machine is turned off before making any adjustments. Understanding your welder's settings is crucial for quality results. You will need to adjust the amperage according to the thickness of your material and the type of electrode you are using. For optimal arc stability and penetration, select the correct voltage. If you are MIG welding, consider the wire feed speed to achieve a smooth, consistent bead. Always refer to your specific welder's manual for precise recommendations. Mastering essential welding techniques will significantly improve your work. Aim to maintain a consistent arc length, usually between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch. Depending on your welding process and desired penetration, you will either use a push or a pull technique. Practice a proper travel speed to prevent too much heat or cold lapse. Always establish a stable and comfortable position before beginning your weld. After completing your weld, allow the piece to cool naturally before handling or any further work. Next, clean your weld thoroughly to remove any slag, spatter, or other impurities for a professional finish. To ensure your welder lasts a long time and performs well, regularly inspect and clean it. Remember to store electrodes and welding wire in a dry environment to prevent moisture absorption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.